This is a normal day for us. If you watch our live streams, you will know that we finished this mini greenhouse here. My wife is getting ready to plant quite a few vegetables today. But I want to show you just a small video of what it's like living in a Siberian town. If you look around me, everything is turning very, very green and beautiful because we have entered true spring. And with true spring, we have to do a little bit of gardening. We have to make sure that we have enough food for the winter. A lot of the things that we're planting in the next couple weeks, we're going to be eating into next year even. All right, Sushi, let people know what are you going to plant?
I want to plant, it's like cilantro, dill, green onion, and mix for salad. And I want to plant radish.
Okay, can you say everything you just said, but like in Russian, the things that you're going to plant?
Петрушка, укроп, зеленый лук, смесь салатная и редиска.
Nice. And this is all going down on this, one of her raised beds. We built 3 for her, and one of them obviously is the one that we call the miniature greenhouse. You can see it's nice and warm in there.
Yeah, and here it will be cucumbers and tomatoes, and broccoli and zucchini, it will be over there.
By the way, comment down below if you guys have a garden in whatever country you're watching from. Let us know what you guys plant in your country, please. If you have gardens in your country, if you're a gardener or a farmer, comment below before we start this video off. Let us know what you have in your garden or what you're farming. Because I don't have a lot of, well, I have a lot of land, but essentially I let my father-in-law and Ksenia have all of it. I only have a small box of land that I'm going to be planting on. I'm going to show you right now, but I'm expanding it. Last year we had many kilos of zucchini from my little box, and I'm going to make it bigger. Just so you get an understanding, the raised beds, all 3 of them are on that side. And while Ksenia is working on her raised beds and getting the ground ready to plant some seeds, I'm going to be expanding. The most fertile part of this plot is here. I'm going to clean it, and I'm going to try to expand maybe double the size of it. So I'm going to remove this grass and turn the soil up a little bit. It's going to be perhaps twice the size when I'm done. So this is the most important task for me right now, cleaning this dirt and expanding it. Let's do it. I truly enjoy taking my time with these types of projects because nobody is rushing me and I can go as slow as I want. Obviously, my body is not the best right now, but I go slowly and methodically. And as you can see, I am scraping the top layer off because this is going to be a beautiful box soon. As you can see, what I've been doing is taking off the top layer. I'm taking off that top layer because I'm going to turn the dirt and mix both soils together. I think this is a huge expansion. It's almost twice the size. And all I'm doing is taking off that top layer. Taking off that top layer. And look how fertile this ground is. Look at this. It is so many of these night crawlers. These worms are proof of just how fertile this ground is. We're gonna keep going. I'm gonna finish, then I'll turn the dirt. Now it's time to turn the soil and mix it up and clean it. Then I'm gonna put the boundaries with these pieces of wood. Hopefully I can plant something either tomorrow or later this week. As you can see, the soil's pretty loose, but what I'm doing is making it even better for the roots to grow inward and not have to fight through the hard ground.
Okay, first of all, in this season I never planting, I will plant this dill. We use it when you made pickles and salted tomatoes. It's these things really good put for flavor. And I will plant normal dill. This mixed for salad. You can see it's many different types inside. This called petrushka. All the time forget how it's called. Yeah, but this good stuff too. And radish. Most important thing, because now it's time to eat fresh salad with cucumber and radish and sour cream.
I'm gonna take a small break from the digging over there, and Ksenia is laying down her first seeds. You can see the different packs she has on the raised bed. It's kind of mark where she's gonna be planting these things. What is that one?
Petrushka.
That's petrushka she's putting in right now. And we've been already gardening. This is our second year, and I have no doubts that something will grow from this. The land is really good for this, and the raised bed should help a little bit with the work. Now she's putting the soil back on top. On the next one, hopefully she cleans the bed a little bit better, because there's a lot of randomness on there, but no problem. What's next, Sush? Nice. So the next one is going to be dill. It's looking good so far because the raised bed is really comfortable. My wife is 4 months pregnant right now, and she doesn't want to be laying down too far down, so we were already planning these before she was pregnant, but we definitely chose this height. Now that she's pregnant, the little kid can help when he grows up, and it's going to be comfortable for everyone. All around really cool. So here goes the dill, guys. I love dill. We're still eating the dill that we planted last year in our garden, which is tremendous. It really yields a lot, and it's really, really good on all of the soups. Russians love dill. I love dill now. I can't imagine a soup without dill. I'm going to show you just how much I've done, but I've already set the borders on the ground, and now I am taking my time to clean the floor. This dirt on this side, the new one, was not part of the most fertile land. The most fertile land I have to clean now. Check it out. The old borders used to be right here, and I've doubled the size, and the ground looks very, very beautiful. I'm taking my time, making sure there's no rocks, making sure there's nothing that's gonna stop my plants from growing. Just come look at really close. I take the smallest rocks out because I want this dirt to be so fluffy. Now it's time to finish the old side and clean it all up, and it's a wrap. Oh, you can see I'm as red as a tomato because I've been working on this beautiful little plot, little block that I opened up. How does it look?
It's look really beautiful, and I want to plant something there already.
Yeah, last year she took over the zucchini plant that I planted. This ground is very fertile. I'm going to show you what it looks like. You can see and appreciate the big difference. Now, half of this was just like this, guys. It used to be a lot of grass, and I took it off. I took the top layer off, you saw. And I've took off the major rocks, and tomorrow I'm just going to try to level it up a little bit, clean it a little bit more, and maybe even plant some things. Comment down below if you enjoyed this. So from the beautiful views here with Ksenia and I, and the beautiful Siberian forest behind us. Thanks a lot for joining us. We'll see you on the next one. And make sure you subscribe for more. Bye.
Bye.
This is the views right now. Sun is setting here. We are in true spring. The marble mine is looking beautiful. And we have our 3 raised beds. One turned into a greenhouse. Beautiful.